Welcome to Good Guys, Sam Space 81. It's early Friday morning. Everybody's registering. All the hot rods are rolling through. Getting a lot of film of them coming in. The main event's going to be at the big building there. We've got shows inside. Then we've got the big tents over here. Switch angle. Held at the same venue where Barrett-Jackson's held. Here in Westworld, Scottsdale. Change angle. Great stuff coming in. I'm going to be doing a lot of video features, some live footage, trying out the new phone. Change angle. What do you think, buddy?
I love the sound of that 340. There's nothing like
Brent,
the Mopar 340. You know?
Brent's a Mopar man,
yeah,
historically.
Mopar man. I'm loving it. This looks like the main entrance, Sam.
Let's check it out. I'm filming. We're doing a little raw video. I'm going to upload onto the Sam Space channel before I get home and edit. Since I've got 1,200 miles and we're going to be hanging out all weekend here in Scottsdale with my buddy Brent.
Yep.
Checking out the old cars, what we all love.
I want to go to the swap meet.
Yeah, we got a swap meet too. Switch angle. Remember when you had one of those in your showroom?
Yeah, Torino.
It had those old Goodyear tires on it. Remember it had vintage Goodyears?
Yeah, I sure do.
I'm gonna put a link in the description for that one. Y'all will want to see it too.
Yeah.
Me and Brent have done a lot of videos together. Listen to this Torino rumble.
Stout.
What do you think it's got in it? A 390?
Probably. That's
Little cam?
GT. Got a nice little can.
That's cool. Watch some people checking in. Kind of behind the scenes of Sam Space here.
Yeah.
This is probably one of my favorite parts of a car show is when you get there early and they start coming in.
Yeah. We're here nice, bright and early.
I like seeing them in motion, listening to them run. This is a good spot to hang out here.
Yeah.
Let's just hang out a little bit, guys and gals. Look at that 60 Impala wagon.
Old Survivor.
Is it a Bel Air?
That's rare.
Wow.
Original paint.
Excuse me.
No bad. That's a rare car.
Yeah, it is. The back window. Cool. What is that little contraption, Brent? It's a Monza?
Yeah, your dad sold me one of those.
He had wasn't it like a 78?
Yeah, it was silver and it had a V8 in it.
Is that about the same year? I don't remember it looking like that.
Yeah, sort of. It was a fastback version of that.
I remember that car would get rubber at 70.
Yeah.
It had a hot little 350 in it.
Yeah. We had to drop the motor to change the spark plugs on it. The parade of classics. Look at the Henry J coming up, Brent. Haven't seen one of those in so long.
Oh man, it's kind of
Yeah,
like a gasser.
Here, Sam.
y'all getting goosebumps too?
He's got rear disc brakes. He's smart, man, too. That thing looks like it'll get out of your hands.
Really like what he did with it. Look at the Resto Mod Vet with the modern C7 headlights in it.
You're in the spot here. Oh, that's trippy. Look at that.
Yeah.
That took some work. Look at that straight pet panel on that big piece of metal right there. Look
Yeah,
at
it's
the
got-
paint on that thing.
Dead straight. Look at that 58.
Here's that character.
Hope everybody's enjoying the footage.
Yeah.
I know I am.
Look how tasteful that one is. Kind of a dark gray metallic, burgundy leather interior.
Wow.
Colorado plates. Came down from Colorado.
More to come. Sam Space 81.